Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the really wonderful as well as a golden opportunity to the candidates who are having the undergraduation or post-graduation, any graduation or any post-graduation. Why? Because for all these different educational qualifications, here the different vacancies are there from one of the central government college. So please utilize this opportunity, guys. And here, out of the multiple vacancies, here one vacancy is having with only post-graduation. Even though if you're a fresher, okay, you can earn up to 27,500 rupees per month. And whatever the different notifications released from this college, the salaries are ranging from 23,000 rupees per month to 2,15,900 rupees per month. Okay, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the 4 different recruitment notifications from the same college. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Into the present content of the video. So whatever the college I told, that is Indian Institute of Management Kashipur. So the recruitment notice for the post of administrative trainee or administrative associate. So total 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 different notifications are released from the Indian Institute of Management Kashipur. So we will see the one by one notification clearly. What are the eligibility conditions? Okay. So the this notification released on 14th August 2021. The job responsibilities are the responsibility of academic trainees and administrative associates will be to assist different program officers, functional officers in academic administration. They can also be given other responsibilities by the institution from time to time. And the required qualifications and stipend. Coming to the qualification, a graduate with relevant experience either in academics or else in industry in a reputed organization. So the stipend is compensation will be commensurate as per the qualifications and the experience. So here any graduate with some relevant experience. Okay. And coming to the academic associates, any postgraduate with 3 years relevant administrative experience in a academic institute of repute, and stipend as per the qualification and your experience. And age limitation 45 years, and the duration appointment will be made purely on a contract basis for a period of 1 year initially from the date of joining, and the renewable annually subject to satisfactory performance and the requirement of the institute, generally limited to the 3 years. The walk-in interview is on 26th August 2021. The reporting time is 10 o'clock. And the venue is Classroom F1 Academic Vihara, IIM Kashipur. And the job location is also given here. And the candidates must carry a complete CV along with all original academic testimonials and one set of self-attested photocopy of all relevant documents during the time of interview, and the TADA will not be provided, guys. And if you are having any queries, here the mail ID is also provided, so you may check down. Okay. And coming to the next one, so it is also academic assistant and associate in communication area. So this one released on 7th August 2021, and the job responsibilities are mentioned here: assisting faculty members in teaching, including evaluation, development of courses, teaching material, making attendance and evaluation of participation in class, invigilation duties, research and consultancy projects under the Center of Excellence in Public Policy and Government, and the required qualifications and stipend. So academic assistants, the qualification required is PG in communication, film studies, media, mass communication, English, law, public policy, governance, or in any other relevant humanities and social sciences specialization areas. And the stipend 23,000 rupees per month for every completed year of relevant academic or industrial job experience. An increment of 1,500 rupees may be recommended subject to the maximum ceiling of 27,500 rupees per month. And coming to the academic associates, PhD and PG in required in the above mentioned departments. And here the stipend is 28,000 rupees per month, and increment will happen to the 2,000 rupees per every year, and maximum ceiling up to 34,000 rupees per month. Okay. And the duration is purely on contract basis for a period of 1 year initially, and renewable annually subject to satisfactory performance, but generally limited to the 3 years. And age limitation for academic associate is given as 35 years. Selection process will be based upon the online, guys. So by phone, Zoom, Skype, or any web conferencing platforms. And here the online application link is also provided. And the last date for application is 23rd August 2021. Okay. And coming to the third notification from the same college, that is IIM Kashipur. So academic assistants and associates in the IT and system area, and the job responsibility is same as the previous one. So coming to the academic assistant qualification, postgraduate with first class relevant experience either in academic or industry, or else ME or MTech or MBA will be preferred. Candidates with qualification like BE or BTech MCA will also be eligible. Okay. And the stipend 23,000 rupees per month and 1,500 rupees increment every year, and maximum up to 27,500 rupees per month. And coming to the academic associates, PhD in the relevant area, and the stipend is 28,000 rupees per month and 2,000 increment every year and 34,000 rupees maximum. Age limit is 35 years, and the online selection process will take place. And here the apply online application link is also provided, and the last date of application is the 16th August 2021. That means today is the last date, guys. So if you're interested, try to apply as early as possible for this one. And coming to the last one, that is the fourth notification in this one, that is non-teaching recruitment, financial advisor, chief engineer, internal audit officer. So these are all high level qualifications required, experience, not the qualification high level. So post graduation, MBA in finance, MCom 2 years, PG diploma in management, and minimum 15 years of experience. Okay, and at least 5 years of experience in pay level 10 of 7th CPC, and the nature of appointment and pay regular, and level 12 you will get, and the application fee is 500 rupees. And whatever the previous post I shown here, for all these 3 recruitment notifications, the application fee is not mentioned, but for this one the application fee is mentioned here. And coming to the chief engineer, MTech or ME in civil engineering, and preferably retired with some pay scale, so you please check out. And coming to the internal audit officer, sound knowledge of applicable and statutory compliances related to the education industry in connection with auditing techniques. Okay, and the nature of appointment is consolidated pay 50,000 to 60,000 rupees per month and 500 rupees. Okay, and few more instructions, and here the online application link is also provided. And here they kept the last date is 2nd August 2021, but don't worry guys, the last date for this one is extended up to 20th August 2021. Okay, so it is a non-teaching recruitment. If you want, you may check down the corrigendum here, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, so you carefully check down all the complete recruitment notifications, guys. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here an announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.